Oh hi, and welcome back to this video where we're going to look at how to declutter your Twitter with custom lists. So, in fact what you do is you build a list with the favourite people you want to follow. So you click up here on the right hand side for new list. You can add an image if you want, but I'll just put this as a test list for the moment. And then you can make it private or leave it public. I'm just going to make this private. Go to next. Then you can search for people. If you know some of these people, you can add them. What I prefer to do is to add your own people. So if you've got a list of people that you want to follow, just pop them in here. One. And then you can build your list up as you go, and then you'll have these people's tweet feeds to follow without any distraction from home or explore feeds. Okay, and then you're done, and there you are. You can follow these people up to date as they come in, all the latest ones, and you're not going to be bothered by the Twitter algorithm feeding you stuff that you don't want to see. And for the sake of completeness, this is how you add a cover to your list. Very, very simple. Under here I've also got, just as a tip for you, I've got 4 people in here. I've actually got 9 members, but these are special people that I want to follow. I've got 17 members in here. I want to get that down to 6. And in here, people from 2,000 to 10,000 followers. I've got 6 here. I want 4 in here. So those will be the specific people that you want to follow in your niche. Whereas your general follower list is like this. So as these people are new, we can just go down, and I don't speak this guy's language, of course. I'm sorry about that. I'll give you a like anyway. I can't really comment on your post, but when you find something that appeals to your own audience, you would also not only like them, but you could. Mothers have heard more startup ideas of their children than all the VCs combined. Not quite sure how I would answer that, but we go to another one here. People leave their 9-to-5 jobs to start a startup, only to realise that it's 24/7. It is like that to begin with. So we can just write humorously here, yes. 24/7, but with plenty of breaks. And then reply to that. And then what you can also do, when you find something you really like, you can put a retweet, which won't have any comment at all, or you can quote retweet it. Not the truth. Just tweet that, and that goes onto your timeline, and it's going to help Sunil here. Okay. You can't do everything, but you do need to do a lot of tweets and retweeting and answering. You can't necessarily answer everybody if it's not in your niche and not relevant to your followers, but some of these things are rather good. So we can tweet this again. Don't let a day go by without smiling, without humour. Okay, so we're going to do a quote retweet on this. That's just my English humour, and so on and so forth. You get the idea. So that's how you would keep your followers happy, and they will help you in turn. You all both help each other, and so you don't have to join. Don't need to join engagement groups, which we talk about in another video. You can just keep going, and once a day perhaps come in and you'll go and give your followers some support. So that's how you declutter Twitter with your custom lists. And now we'll look at something else that will help you keep focused as you do your daily work. So the next thing you can do to declutter your Twitter is to install one of two Chrome extensions. If you're using Chrome, it works on other browsers as well. One is Minimal Twitter. You can just add that to your Chrome extension, or another one is, if I just go home here, another one is News Feed Eradicator, and that works for all the various social programs. But if you want to just show your feed for 5-10 minutes, up to whatever you like, and then that'll switch off after 30 minutes if you want to do that. Okay, so but if you use the Minimal Twitter program, you won't get anything at all. I'll just show you TweetX while we're here, because that's another Chrome extension, and that will show you the feed for that particular Twitter account. So you can go down and see their Twitter accounts. Okay, so there's 3 different Chrome extensions that you can use. I do like Minimal Twitter. Will keep all the clutter off your Twitter. Okay, keep your Twitter feed clean and healthy with good lists that you can follow and engage with every day. Okay then, in the next video we'll look at how to save time by rescheduling your tweets, both the manual way and also using a special tool that in fact also makes writing your tweets an awful lot easier. So look out for that in the next video.